These three Lightbiz wall sconces provide flexible cordless lighting with built-in rechargeable batteries that comfortably last through long evenings on a single charge. The included remote makes everyday use easy, letting you switch the lights on or off, change color tone, adjust brightness, and set timers without leaving your seat. With three selectable color temperatures and smooth dimming, the sconces adapt well for reading in bed, working at a desk, or adding softer ambient light in a hallway or living room. A magnetic ball joint allows the light heads to swivel freely and detach quickly so they can double as handy flashlights or emergency lights when needed. Installation is straightforward thanks to the magnetic mounts and strong adhesive pads, with optional screws if you prefer a more permanent setup. Their compact modern design fits unobtrusively in bedrooms, stairways, and closets while still delivering bright, comfortable illumination that is gentle on the eyes.